Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Jigglypuff in the new Pokemon movie. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the top eyelid, and we're going to give her a little bit of an expression here. It's kind of based on the image that we saw online. So we're going to draw one line going this way, and then on the other side it's going to go this way. Okay, and then in the middle, just kind of come down with a slight curve. And then we can draw this one first. On the ends here, we're going to come down. And then we'll just kind of curve it, close it off. So that's going to be the eye shape. And then on this side here, bracket. And then we're going to curve this way, and it's a little bit more narrow. Alright, and then the eyeballs inside, so we're just going to draw almost a full circle. And then on this side, it's almost a half circle because the eyelids are kind of coming down. Okay, and then from there, I'm going to add in, I'm going to draw a little square in here, and that's going to be the highlight area. And I'm just going to shade around it. That'll give the eyeball a little bit more life. And this one is just going to be all black. Alright, so those are her eyes. So now let's move on down to her lip. So it's going to be a little bit of frowning here. So in the corner, just kind of go up. And we come back down a little bit short on this side. And then on the corners, I'm just going to draw one line like this on both sides. Alright, so it's a pretty cute expression. So now we're going to draw in the, I guess, the head and the body and everything else. So we're going to come out to the side here. I'm just going to draw one bracket first, all the way down here. Basically to her mouth area. And then we can, well, let's move on to the top first then. Alright, so let's draw her ear. So we're going to come up here as if this is one circle continuing up. You can make a little point here. We just go out. And then we're going to connect that. So when you come up here, just kind of imagine this line continuing on. Make a little point. Curve. And then come back in, just connect that. Alright, and then on the inside here, and then the outside, I mean. Okay, from this point here, go back in. And then now we can draw that strand of hair right in the middle. So we're going to start here in the corner. Just going to draw one hump to here and just kind of go past this slightly. And then once you have this curve here, come back to the middle. This might be an easy way to draw it. So just draw like a U shape here. And then from this point here, we're going to curve. So nice and sharp. Just curve around and just connect back up to the top. Okay, and then on this side here, we can go up, or you can just start here. Just kind of curve and close everything off. And once you have this strand, we can add a little bit of curve here just to show that it's kind of like a furry strand. And even here, I'm going to add a couple of curves like this going this way. And then for a little bit of fur effect here, we can go on around the corner. Just kind of draw like a couple of these little angles. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so now we can finish up with the hands and the body. So just come over here where we left off. This one's just going to be holding a microphone here. So we're just going to draw one little kind of like a U shape. And then from here, here's the little mic, the handle. Just come out. Close it off with a curve. And then extend that curve going this way. So we'll add a little bit of perspective here. And then we're going to keep going out. And then just round it off going this way. And then for the little flat area here, we're just gonna draw a little line like that. That'll make it a little bit more three-dimensional. And then we're gonna extend the handle, just go all the way back and just add a little bit of round in there. Okay, so now we can finish up the bottom here. So we're gonna continue this curve, just try to make a nice, nice circular curve. And just stop, just leave a little bit of space. And then right here, we'll go down and just curve it back up. So that's gonna be her other arm. Alright, and then lastly, her foot is really easy. So just come down. Here's the middle, we just go out to the side. We can draw two little lines like this first. And then we curve out. And then just come back into the body. And this one's gonna go behind the mic. And that is it for this Jigglypuff from the new Pokemon movie. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.